Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're making something fresh, bright, and super tasty, Israeli salad. It's the perfect side dish for just about anything. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's grab our veggies. We'll need 3 medium cucumbers. Persian or English cucumbers work best, but any kind will do. Then grab 4 nice juicy tomatoes and a small red onion. We're going to dice all of these up nice and small. A little tip: if you want a less watery salad, you can scoop out the seeds from the tomatoes before chopping. Next, let's chop up a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. And if you want to add a little extra something, throw in 2 tablespoons of fresh mint. Mint adds a really nice fresh flavor, but it's totally up to you. Now, toss all those beautiful colorful veggies into a big bowl. Time for the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. If you want to add a little extra zing, a pinch of sumac is delicious. You can find it in most grocery stores in New York City these days. Now pour that yummy dressing over the veggies and give it a gentle mix. You can serve it right away for that super fresh, crunchy taste. Or if you have a little time, let it chill in the fridge for 10-15 minutes to let all those flavors come together. Want to make it your own? You can totally add other things. Some diced bell peppers would be great, or some crumbled feta cheese. A handful of pomegranate seeds adds a nice pop of color and flavor too. Gap 2S, feeling adventurous? Try swapping the parsley for cilantro or dill. Or if you want something a little more filling, add some chickpeas, quinoa, or bulgur wheat. This Israeli salad is amazing with falafel wraps, shawarma, or grilled meats. It's also great with just about anything else. It's fresh, it's easy, and it's so yummy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.